Etra-chan saw it. My name is Kuroki, a 4th grader. Both of my parents work and my sister doesn't come home until 5 o'clock. But I don't feel lonely anymore. Do you know why? Because...
Kuroki! Welcome home!
Benny! I have my precious companion Benny with me. Benny's a talking parrot my parents got me for my 8th birthday. He's able to talk, and of course we're best friends.
Welcome home, Kuroki!
You don't have to say it twice, Benny.
He said it twice because it's important.
What? Oh, hey Akamatsu. And then there's Akamatsu-kun and his mom who come to our house. Akamatsu's mom and my mom are good friends. Since my mom is busy, she comes over after school to look after us together.
Welcome home, Akamatsu!
Whoa! Benny remembers me too!
I taught him a few days ago. Benny is smart and remembers things quickly after being taught.
That's so cool! Parrots are adorable! Mom, I want a parrot too. Can we have one, Mom?
At our house, your dad has animal allergies, so...
Oh.
You should just think of Benny as Akamatsu-kun's pet and take care of him. Benny looks like he likes you too, so it'd be so much fun if you take care of him with me.
Whoa. Yeah, I'll help take great care of Benny.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Nope.
This is my favorite line from Benny.
I thought I taught him the original song. That's strange.
I'm pretty sure that I've heard it somewhere. Maybe your dad taught it to Benny. He starts speaking nonsense when he's drunk.
What? But I don't want Benny speaking like that.
Why not? It's super cute.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Nope.
Don't sing that song, Benny. A companion and a good friend. I always thought these fun days would continue. But one day, Benny started acting strange. Today's classes were so tough. I wish I didn't have to do homework. I'm home.
Hello?
What? What's that noise? I think there's a strange person in my house. Well, I mean, maybe it's Benny.
Hello? Hello?
But I never taught him those phrases. But Benny?
Kuroki! Welcome home!
Thank God, it's just Benny.
Sorry, Kuroki, we're a bit late. Are you okay?
What's up, Kuroki?
Akamatsu's mom!
What's wrong, honey? Did something scary happen?
Benny's been acting weird. He started talking like the scammer in the video we saw at school. He was like, hello? Hello?
What? That's terrifying.
Hello? Hello?
See?
You're right, he sounds just like the scammers.
Don't laugh. I was terrified, you know?
Did someone play a prank?
Was it Dad again?
Maybe it was your sister.
If it was my sister, it's possible. She loves to tease me.
I mean, I guess you could do something like this as a prank. I'll tell your mom just in case.
Yeah. But days passed and we never found out who played the prank on Benny. Sis, Dad, neither of you tried to prank me through Benny?
No, why would I do that?
Neither did I. I mean, I guess his voice does kind of sound like an old man.
What? Then who was it?
Maybe there's a real old man inside of Benny!
There's no way that's true!
Maybe he's picking up weird phrases from TV. Anyway, I'm gonna take a bath.
I'll go back to my room to call a friend.
Wait,
Old MacDonald had a farm.
he's not saying anything weird today. I'm bored. Maybe I'll watch some anime.
This is it. We have to use that technique.
Hello? Hello?
Benny, I'm here. I'm watching anime right now, so be quiet.
Turn me back into a human.
What?
Turn me back into a human.
Why are you saying those things, Benny?
Maybe there's a real old man inside of Benny!
Cut it out! There's no way! No way, Benny! Are you actually human?
Turn me back into a human!
Ah!
What the? What's wrong? Huh? Kuroki? It's just you?
Mommy!
Okay, I understand your story, but there's no person inside the parrot, so relax.
Are you sure? Is there no old man inside of Benny?
Of course not, honey. But this is weird. Between the scammer incident and this incident, I mean, I like to believe that neither Dad nor Akane would do something like this. Who could that be at this hour? Oh, Yuri and Akamatsu?
I'm so sorry!
What's going on?
I'm so sorry. It seems that's because of Akamatsu that Betty started saying strange things.
What?
After the scam call incident, Akamatsu started acting weird. So I insistently told him to tell the truth. He confessed that he was responsible for this.
Kuroki, I'm so sorry.
Akamatsu-kun, why did you do this?
Well, last time when you told me it was okay to treat the parrot like my own pet, I was really happy.
Well, then why would you do something like this?
That's because it was fun making Benny learn new things, so I tried to scare you a bit.
1 week ago. Today's homework is hard.
I'm gonna go play with Benny.
Okay.
Since you were busy with homework, I decided to make Benny listen to different audios.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Whoa, he really remembered! I should teach him more. Funny phrases to teach parrots, huh? Turn me back into a human. That's hilarious!
But parrots can live up to 50 years, right? I was surprised when I found that out. It could keep repeating these strange phrases for its entire life. It's much too lighthearted for such a long-term consequence.
I'm sorry!
But you didn't have any bad intentions, right?
No.
Okay, I'll forgive you. But let's promise not to teach it any more strange phrases.
I promise.
We made a pinky promise to ensure Benny wouldn't learn any more odd phrases. I thought this would prevent any new ones from being picked up. That's what I thought.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-No.
Wait a minute, what's with this song?
Oh, yeah, that was me. I hummed a parody song I used to sing as a child, and Benny picked it up.
So that's why it sounded familiar.
What?
Mom! It seems even adults can accidentally teach Benny strange songs. Parrots can learn any human words, so be careful about what you say around them.
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。真似て喋ってくれるのを面白がっていろんな言葉を覚えさせたくなる気持ちはわかります。大人でさえこう考えてしまうんですから、子供だったら面白がっていろんな言葉を覚えさせちゃうでしょうね。なので大人がちゃんと正しい言葉を使うように導いてあげなければです。何はともあれ、やってしまったことの重大さに気づいて反省することができてよかったです。皆さんはどう感じましたか？コメント欄に書いていただけると嬉しいです。また少しでも面白いと思った方、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。